Ida, Maya, Fannie Lou, Harriet, and Sojourner. I mean, seriously. Hey babes, welcome back. This is Living for the City. I am Cherise, and you know what time it is. It is our monthly unboxing. We haven't done this in a while. I mean, we did just do one with Third Eye High, their women-owned brand, bringing a CBD and wellness and beauty into one. Loved everything I got in there. So I have a couple of videos on that, so please go check that out if you haven't already. We haven't done an unboxing in so long. Like our usual unboxings. Have we done one this year? Oh, you guys, I'm slacking, I know. I mean, it's been a tough year. Come on, give me a break. Although, raise your hand if you got the COVID vaccine and you're like, have a new lease on life. I mean, that's how I feel right now. Like, it is Women's History Month. I'm so excited. I'm wearing my new Women's History Month t-shirt that I got thrifted. I got this shirt at a thrift store just like the other day. Just so you know, I'm going to be having a thrift with me video coming up next week. Okay, little plug there. But I just got this shirt from the thrift store the other day. I don't know why someone would give this away. How dare you, but thank you. Is this not the perfect shirt for Women's History Month? Like, seriously. I love it. It was like $1.99. I mean, $1.99. Anyway, let's get into this unboxing. We are here to do our monthly unboxings of Birchbox and Allure. We love these two. You know, Birchbox, as you all know, well, maybe you don't know, because if you're new to this channel, welcome. Hey, how are you? If you're returning, welcome back. Listen, I love me some Birchbox. I'm probably the only one that probably still gets it. I understand that, and that's fine. But they're my tried and trusted, like, I love Birchbox. So we will always do a Birchbox. However, as you know, recently, I discovered Allure Beauty Box. I mean, not that they're opposite ends of the spectrum, because they're not, but like, Allure comes through every single month. So let's jump in. Let's start with our Birchbox. Okay, so here is our Birchbox for the month of March. It's really cute, and there's a woman on the front, and so it's Women's History Month. Shout out to all the dope females that are in the room tonight. Hey girl, hey. This is cute. So inside your Birchbox, it will always come with like a little card that will tell you what you're getting. Here's my box. Let's open her up. I can't remember what a lot of stuff in here. I can't remember what I actually got this month. I really can't remember, but here it is. So let's see what I got for the month of March. By Sand and Sky, I got the Australian Pink Clay Flash Perfection Exfoliating Treatment. I have been wanting to get this. Here it is right here. I actually tried the actual mask and loved it. It's a pink clay mask, and I've been dying to try the exfoliating treatment, so I'm glad I got this one. So I got that. Also got by Wander Beauty, and everyone who knows I love some Wander Beauty. I got the Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks. I love that. Which is probably this. Yes. Yep. I feel like I got these before, but I think they're gold actually. Yeah, they are. See, they're gold. Love those. I can't wait to try these. So, I love that. I'm sorry. Let me just back up a second, because I act like I haven't done this in forever. I'm not even telling y'all about the product. I'm like, oh, I got this, I did. Let me back up. So, going back to the Sand and Sky exfoliating treatment, while the skin is damp, you cleanse your skin with this. You put it on as a facial treatment for 5 minutes, and then you massage it in, you rinse it off, and it's to detoxify, nourish, and leave your skin glowing. You use it up to 3 times a week. So again, I'm really excited about that. Wander Beauty's Baggage Claim Gold Eye Masks Hydrate, soothe, depuff, and brighten under your eyes with these Luxe eye masks featuring 3 layers of gold foil for maximum absorption of key botanicals and oils. You leave it over for 10 to 15 minutes and then you throw them out. And then you can put your eye serum or your cream, your under eye cream on afterwards. I can't wait to try these. Okay. Next is BareMinerals Gen Nude Patent Lip Lacquer and Pout. So let's see what that looks. Ooh. I love. Yes, look at that color. I love that. Clean and cushiony hydrating formula gives the full coverage of a lipstick and the high shine of a gloss while helping to keep your lips soft. We love that this is non-drying, ultra comfortable, and lightweight. Now I'll tell you right now, so spring is actually here tomorrow. Spring has sprung finally. So I actually like this. I'm gonna put some on my hand right. Oh, so yeah. Oh, I love it. So it's a little bit of color, but again, you can see that. So it's color, but it also, hopefully you can see that, I don't know, is like a gloss. So it's shiny. And I don't really like matte. I don't know. I think my lips are too small for mattes. I like glosses. I feel like they make my lips stand out a little bit more. Okay, so that's that. Next up by, I don't even know how to say this, Loum Beauty of Calm. Loum. It's a pure Serenity Golden Sea Serum. Okay, so this serum combines a powerful ingredients suspended in golden droplets. For maximum potency, great for all skin types. It addresses the signs of wrinkles, includes fine lines, wrinkles, dullness, loss of firmness, elasticity, hyperpigmentation. You massage 2 to 4 droplets onto your clean, dry skin, tapping delicately around the eye area, and you use it morning and night. So here it is again. You can actually see, oh, this is pretty. I'm gonna have to get a really good picture of this for you guys. That is really nice. I am loving this. Okay, by Loum. I don't know if it's Loum or Loum. I don't know how to say it. Okay, almost last is an R+Co Rodeo Star Thickening Foam. So this, you add instant volume of lip with this non-sticky hair foam. You apply 1 to 2 pumps to your towel dried hair section by section, and then you blow it dry. By R+Co. They're a really good company, R+Co. I won't use that, but they're a really good company. And then last but not least, they gave me this little free little extra thing in here, which I've actually had these before by Exo Supply. It's a nail polish remover. Wipe in lavender. So that is all of my Birchbox stuff. I love everything that I got this month. Some really cool and new products. That's what I like about Birchbox, you guys. Like, just saying. Like stuff I just wouldn't normally try. Like just because I'm like, you know, that I get a chance to try without buying something full price, right? That's the name of the game. Next up is Allure. Okay. Buckle your seatbelts. Okay, Allure from the beauty experts. This is what your box will look like, and inside it gives you like a little magazine. The thing about these boxes, and I've said this before with Allure, they don't really tell you what your product is, and you know, they just tell you, they give you I mean, they tell you what the product is, yes, but they don't like explain the product to you like it goes into detail like Birchbox does. But what they do is they'll give you like a review of it, like someone who's used the product, and then they'll tell you kind of what it's like. So you're always like, okay, how do I use this product? That's the only thing about Allure. But baby, look at this. This is what I'm talking about. So this is why the Allure box is always on point. Here we go. Let's get this party started. First up, U Beauty, and it is a resurfacing compound. Here it is, okay. You apply 1 pump morning and night atop your clean skin. You massage gently and finish with a moisturizer. Brighter, revitalized looking skin begins to emerge 3 to 6 days later. Your pores will look diminished and your skin will appear to brighten as dark spots, fine lines, and wrinkles visibly fade. Okay, listen, I'll try anything once. We'll try So let's see. I'm gonna open this up. I wanna see what it looks like, the actual packaging. That's pretty, y'all. That's some sexy stuff right there. Oh, I like that. I love the actual packaging of this. Very nice. Okay. All right, you beauty. Next up by Christophe Robin Daily Hair Cream. Oh, wow. In sandalwood. I don't know if I like sandalwood. Moisturizing care, anti-split ends, and anti-breakage, which I absolutely need right now because my hair is acting a fool. Okay. So this is silicone-free moisturizing hair cream. It's enriched with apricot oil, sandalwood pulp, barley seed extracts. Helps to fight dryness and prevent the appearance of split ends and breakage. You just put a small amount onto your damp hair, or your dry hair actually. And that's that. You can use it every day. Christophe Robin hair cream. Like that. And these look to be like full sizes, right? So another thing that I love about that. Next up by Floss, Lip Advocate in Your Honor. So let's see. By Floss. Okay, really nice. Ooh. Oh, look at that color. I love that. Oh, nice. By Floss. Ooh. Oh, wow, you guys. It is so silky. It's this second one. It's very faint and silky. Oh, that is, I'm going to love this. Oh, wow. It's a sheer lip tint. And I love lip tints, and it feels like a lip tint. Wow, that is pretty. I'm gonna come back to that color after we've gone through the box to see if it changes. Because you know, sometimes when lip tints like dry a little bit, they kind of change on you. So next up by Madeca Derma. Is that Madeca? I don't know. It is a revitalizing mask. You know me, I love a good mask. Okay, here it is right here. And this says, that is to firm, brighten, moisturize, and purify to restore youthful suppleness and radiance. Pure cotton sheet mask, refresh you. I love cotton masks. They feel so good. I don't know why I love a cotton mask, but they're like my favorite. So next up by La Roche is an Anthelios Melt in Milk Sunscreen. Oh, good. It's a Melt in Milk Sunscreen. So by La Roche, we have a sunscreen. Yes, I love it. Broad spectrum SPF 100 SPF. I don't even think I knew they made it in that SPF number. And then for your editor's pick, there's two editor's picks. So I got a skin cream, which I'm sorry, it's actually called Immortelle Divine Cream. Immortal Divine Cream. Nice, I love it. Dewy. Your cheeks are looking healthy and it gives you a nice little flush. The scent is very flowery and it's reminiscent of a classic French skincare. So you get 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 products and then you'll always get like an editor's pick. And I love that. So you just never know what you're gonna get. So those are all of the items that I got in my Allure box. Again, very, very high end and classy. Let me know in the comments below if you have tried any of these products. Again, I haven't even heard of some of these products on the Birchbox side and on, of course, on the Allure side because I'm not as fancy. But looked really, really nice on both sides. Here's the lip colors again. So they're gonna be really, really nice on me. Perfect for spring. Perfect for spring. So I'm so excited about all the things I got. I'm going to try each and every one of these out. Look out in the next few days where I am testing these things and sharing them with you so that you can see how to use them and look out for them soon enough. Thank you so much for joining me today and opening my March unboxing. If you are not already subscribed to this channel, I ask that you hit that little red button below for me. Thank you so very much. You can follow me on my day-to-day highlights on Instagram at living_for_the_city. You can also like me on Facebook at Living for the City 77. And I think that is it. Have a great week, faves, and happy spring. I will see you next time. Bye.